The EMA 50 basically is as of now at $0.001, or so they basically thought. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar sort of is truly areas of strength for really an unobtrusive way. SPEL United States dollar truly is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090 in an unpretentious manner. Bears control SPEL's fundamentally current cost activities. 03 December 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through basically SPEL commonly token cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for truly SPEL token. Especially is by and large SPEL an especially wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. SPEL fundamentally token help and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting that SPEL United States dollar truly is faced with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090 in a sort of significant manner. However, prior to jumping sort of profound into the SPEL specialized investigation, for the most part allowed us by and large to discuss the sort of current economic situations, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,484,537,238,437 in an unpretentious manner. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $45,105,667,806, which especially shows that 03 December 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through generally SPEL kind of symbolic cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these regularly, especially got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What essentially is truly transient cost expectation for truly SPEL token, explicitly is in every practical sense, SPEL an especially wise interest in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%. Truly further appearance, how Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which all things considered is genuinely critical. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time period, so the $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar truly is serious areas of strength for truly, so they sort of thought. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 2.68 and as of now exchanging at 63 cents, showing how SPEL United States dollar truly is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090 in an extremely huge manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $63.36 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, showing how the $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar by and large is actually areas of strength for fundamentally an extremely significant way. These occasions explicitly show that the market certainly is going in a descending course for kind of present moment, exhibiting that XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 2.68 and as of now exchanging at 63 cents, exhibiting how SPEL United States dollar generally is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090, which most certainly is genuinely critical. As of now, and in every way that really matters, general essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. SPEL really token help and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which especially is very huge. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers especially become basically more especially dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors by and large become move kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that the EMA 50 sort of is as of now at $0.001, or so they for the most part thought. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of basically spell extremely token, spell, sort of spell fundamentally token execution. The cost of basically spell sort of token, spell, really is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and by and large, has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week. Showing how which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89% in a sort of significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while sort of all out, market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, or so they explicitly thought. There generally are practically 103,446,920,678 most certainly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, so bears control spells genuinely current cost activities in an extremely significant manner. Spell sort of token value examination sort of spell cost examination for 03 December 2023 inside a day-to-day time period generally made sense of beneath, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of basic moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA, to truly investigate the future development of the spell token. Which truly shows that the EMA 50 most certainly is right now at $0.001, which truly is genuinely huge. While Spell's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, fundamentally signal in a real sense, is for the most part conceivable at this reach, showing how 03 December 2023. In this video we will really walk you through certainly spell commonly token cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually truly sought clarification on some things, facts, what basically will be essentially transient